The 3D printers that will be stored in the rack are a Bambulan A1 on top and a Bambu Lab P1S on the bottom. The Bambu A1 printer has no upgrades except a 3D printed poop chute to catch the waste the 3D printer makes when calibrating. The Bambu P1S printer has a side mount for the spool holder, as the back of the printer is inaccessible due to the wall. The side mount can be pulled upwards if it's not in use. This is the current state of the rack, which is made up of 4 IKEA Lack tables and different 3D printed connectors, which can be found in the description below. The bottom part has a strong corner connector and an L-shaped spacer to level up the P1S feet with the corner connector. The tables are connected together with this extension piece. The same extension piece is also used to connect the middle two tables together. I've bought the anti-vibration pads on AliExpress for €1.54. They do not come with double-sided tape sadly, but I'll use some I have laying around. Now it's time to place the pads on the bottom of the rack. Let me turn the rack on its side. The anti-vibration pads should make the rack more stable and the 3D printers less noisy. Let me put the rack back in its original position so that I can move the rack in place. The current place for the rack is next to the shelving unit where I store my electronic components. I've just got to make sure that I can access the wall light switch when the 3D printers are in place. I'll put the P1S on the bottom side because it is the heaviest and moves the fastest, which can translate into more vibration. The side mount is perfectly accessible and is to be used with a normal 1 kg spool. Next up, I'll put the A1 on the top part of the rack, as this printer will mostly be used for backup and simple PLA prints. What I am thinking of doing next for this project is fixing the waste that comes out of the P1S in the back, reinforcing the rack to make it less wobbly, adding 2 storage drawers for easy tool access, and adding a status LED bar for each printer. But that will be for the next video. Let me know what you think about this cheap way to make a 3D printer rack and if there is any more improvements I can make. If you like this video, you can help me by subscribing. Thank you for watching and goodbye.